The Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, FASTM, had met Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on 27 September to submit a memorandum wherein a request for a sanction of Hindi school teachers post in all ad hoc and government-aided schools across the state. The president of the Federation, Kenneth Shadap, informed that there is disproportionate balance between the salary of ad hoc and deficit school teachers while both categories work for an equal amount of time. Therefore, he demanded that the state government should pay an equal amount of salary to both deficit and ad hoc school teachers. Shadap also informed that a demand has been placed before the Chief Minister for the revised salary of midday meal cooks who are currently receiving an amount of Rs 1,000 only as salary per month for their work. The content of the memorandum also included the demand for sanction of Hindi posts from classes 6 to 10 in all ad hoc schools in the state.
So our CM has assured us that he will really try to fulfill our demands. It might not be 100% fulfill our demands. We have told him, see, we are demand deficit system. So if you cannot give deficit system also due to financial crisis, at least you can give deficit pattern. So he has note down for that, but he told us he will see the financial condition of the government. Then he has assured us 100%. Actually, we have requested him to invite us on October. But he told us, please, on October, I am very busy. At least within November, I assure you that will be invited again. So